Hi everyone, and welcome to the final week. I'm Sophia, and this week I'll be talking about non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. I picked this topic because it's one of the most visible and controversial parts of blockchain. Everyone's heard of NFTs. Some people love them, some people think it's a joke, but most don't really understand how they actually work and why they matter. So today, we'll explore what NFTs are, their core characteristics, where they are being used, and how they are reshaping the idea of ownership in the digital world. So what exactly is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. Let's break it down. Tokens means it exists on a blockchain just like cryptocurrencies. Non-fungible means it's unique. You can't exchange it on a one-to-one basis like you can with Bitcoin or euros. For example, 1 euro is always worth the same another euro. That's fungible, but an NFT is more like a signed painting, a rare trading card, or a concert ticket. Each one is different, and its value depends on its uniqueness and context. NFTs are used to represent ownership of digital art, images, music, videos, game assets, and more. What makes them special is the blockchain keeps a permanent record of who owns what, and this record can't be changed or faked. Let's go over the main features that make NFTs different from regular digital files. First, uniqueness. Each NFT has a unique ID and metadata sets it apart from others, even if the content looks the same. Ownership. NFTs prove who owns a digital asset. Even if the image is copied and shared, only one person owns the original NFT. Scarcity. Creators can choose how many copies of an NFT to mint. Some are one of one, while others might have limited edition, like 100 or 1000. Interoperability. NFTs can be used across different platforms. For example, an NFT bought in one game or metaverse might be usable in another. And fifth, smart contract integration. NFTs often include smart contracts that trigger actions automatically, like sending royalties to the creator every time the NFT is resold. These characteristics open the door to new digital economies where value is tied not to just money, but to ownership, creativity, and community. NFTs in the art world. One of the most famous use cases of NFTs is digital art. Before NFTs, it was nearly impossible to own a piece of digital art in a meaningful way. You could copy or download it, but who was the original owner? NFTs changed that. They gave digital artists a way to mint and sell their work as unique assets with proof of authenticity and a way to earn royalties on resales. A famous example is the artist named People who sold an NFT artwork called Every Days, the First 5,000 Days at Christie's for over $69 million. That moment marked a turning point where NFTs entered the mainstream art market. Other real-world use cases. NFTs go way beyond art. Here are a few more examples. Gaming. Players can buy, sell, and trade in-game items like skins, weapons, or avatars as NFTs, giving them real ownership of digital assets. Music and films. Artists can release albums or bonus content as NFTs, creating a direct link with fans and bypassing middlemen like labels. Collectibles. Platforms like NBA Top Shot let users collect official NBA highlight moments as NFTs. Identity and access. NFTs are also being explored as digital IDs or event passes, like a concert ticket that also grants VIP access or future perks. All of these examples show how NFTs create value, not just from the content itself, but from the connection between the creator and the owner. So to summarize, NFTs are unique digital assets stored on the blockchain. They represent ownership over scarcity and include features like royalties and interoperability. They've already impacted industries like art, gaming, music, and identity. While there are real challenges, NFTs are redefining how we think about value, creativity, and digital rights. Thanks so much for following along all 6 videos. It's been a great journey, and I hope this gave you a better understanding on how blockchain is transforming the digital world.